Hi everyone. Today I want to show you the biggest modification I've done on a longbow so far, ever did, and will probably ever do again. Bolt-on bow quiver system. Now, why did I choose a bolt-on bow quiver if there's, for example, strap-on bow quivers? The reason is, in my findings, a strap-on bow quiver will cause the bow to lose energy when you shoot it. Now, why do I think that? The reason is, I used to have a strap-on bow quiver as well, and I did bear shafting tests with it. Now, without the strap-on bow quiver, I shoot, release, and the arrow just flies perfectly straight. So that's a clear sign. Nock point is okay, and arrow spine is okay. And as soon as I put on the bow quiver, the strap-on bow quiver that is, the arrow suddenly went to the left. And that's a sign that the arrow is too stiff. Now, why is the arrow too stiff? And the reason is, in my opinion, when you put on a bow quiver, a strap-on bow quiver, you usually attach it to the fade-out. And when you pull back, that part of the fade-out will move back as well. A little bit, but it will flex as well. And when you release the arrow, that part gets snapped back, and some of the energy will be converted on the bow quiver. And that's my opinion. The arrow will lose energy, it will lose speed, the bow will lose energy, and you will shoot not like you would shoot without a bow quiver. And so, in my opinion, the best thing is I could find to have a bow quiver, but not a strap-on bow quiver, was a bolt-on bow quiver. Now you could imagine that for putting a bolt-on bow quiver you need the inserts and everything, and longbows don't have that. So, as painful as it sounds, you need to drill holes in your longbow. It's brutal, but it's true. And what I did, the first thing I did was I marked the spots where I wanted to drill. I already made previously because, yeah, it takes a while to find the right angle and the right height and everything. Get enough clearance for your thumb and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much what you do first. Is you put this here, and then with something like a pencil or a white marker, you make two markings where you're gonna. And then I took a 5.12 drill bit and I drilled the holes. Then I put in some inserts. You can find the inserts at Three Rivers Archery, BSU Uzadome, and a lot of other archery shopping sites. And yeah, that's it. Once you put in the inserts, you can begin and mount your bow quiver. Now, in this case, there is one problem. Some longbows don't have a perfectly plain surface. I'm not sure if you can see that. And in this case, it's slightly curved. And what I did here, I just put two thick layers of leather to compensate for the curve. And also, what's really cool is now I have enough clearance for my thumb. So everything worked out fantastic. It's just great. In case you might ask, this particular quiver here is a quickie quiver, and it's very easy. You can detach it very fast. And yeah, once you detach it, the only thing you have left is this part here, but that's not too bad. I mean, if you really want to take it off, as you can see, there are bolts. You can screw them out, and then you have just regular longbow with 2 inserts in them. And you can also go fishing with those inserts and everything. And yeah, that's it. And like I said, the really great thing is with a bolt-on bow quiver, there's no energy loss, nothing. Even better, because of the added weight in front, the bow will be more stable. It'll create something like I call the recurve effect, because recurves are much heavier, they're much stabler, and the vibration that a longbow has is much less with a bow quiver. So yeah, I have a few Luminox here, and I will show you how this bow shoots with a bow quiver. Hope you had fun, and see you next time.